na huyo mkora hata ponyoka.
Jatan migepe Musalia Mudavadi wacho ni gin gi chenro mar loso mitoka manyien mag gach reru e boma Nairobi kowuok kuom kony kod tudruok gi sirikal mar piny Ingresa ka gitiyo kokalo kuom riwruok mar UK. Kowuok e limbe mar piny Ingresa omedo ni gach reru no idhi konye bero sekta mar wuoth e chuny boma Nairobi kod alwora mare. Mudavadi omedo ni gechego biro chwalo yuto ne piny owacho kaluwore kod kwan ji moting'o.
This regeneration was taking place. So we became development, really started to be built. The land was valued.
With a cooperation and partnership with the government of the UK, working through UKEF, is to rehabilitate and have a new and modern railway station at the Nairobi Railway Station Center. So this is not just about the horizontal movement of people, but it's about completely altering the economic activity around the railway station. What we have seen at King's Cross is that there is a hub that brings together about 50,000 people per day to deal with commerce, to commute, to handle other economic issues, and this has generated a new economic ecosystem around that area. So it is our desire that with the funding that we are going to get from the UK government, we should be able to achieve a similar feat around the Nairobi railway city. And this will be able to have activities that would bring together about 30,000 people every day at the Nairobi railway station.
Dakika 43 tok saa 2 wakauyo wa machele chenro mar Migago aneno ka wote